Hello and welcome to your guided tour of the SchoolTry portal, your all-in-one school management solution. Whether you're an administrator, an instructor, or a student, SchoolTry gives you a personalized account to help you stay connected, organized, and focused on what matters most. Today we'll walk you through the main features step by step, so you can see how everything works. Let's begin with the dashboard. When you first log in, you'll land right here on the dashboard. Think of it as your mission control, a quick overview of your school's current status. You'll see important stats like the number of students and lecturers, details about programs, centers, directorates, and much more. SchoolTry handles different types of users, so both academic and non-academic staff can be set up in the system. For academic staff, that includes instructors, students, and support staff. Adding someone new is simple. Just enter their details, click Submit, and they're in. You can also check an academic staff member's status, whether they're currently on campus, active, or on leave. Managing payments. The Payments section is where you can set up fee structures, assign them to students, and even collect payments online. Once you've created and assigned a fee structure, students can pay more easily, and you can see a full breakdown of payments, including transaction IDs, student info, and payment details. You can even create a scholarship or a bursary and assign it to a student, and the system automatically updates their account. Grading and curriculum. SchoolTry works with whatever grading system your school uses, whether it's NITA, CBC, CBET, or some other unique system. You can set up grade profiles for each curriculum, define grade points, and link them to specific sessions. That way, students get report cards tailored to their program. Teachers see only the courses they're assigned to, and entering grades is quick. Choose the academic year, term, and course, then type in the scores. To keep things secure, once grades are submitted, the department head can look at them, preventing any changes. GPA requirements for graduation can also be customized. SchoolTry supports all levels, from certificates to PhDs, and lets you build curriculums from the ground up. You can set required courses, graduation requirements, and progression paths, so students move smoothly from one level to the next. Learning Management System. The LMS is your digital learning hub. Students can access course materials, virtual classrooms, and a rich e-library with books, PDFs, videos, and more. External links and repositories can be added for extra resources. Virtual classrooms have no capacity limits, so lessons can continue no matter where students are. Assignments are handled online, with students able to view all their courses, download materials, and complete modules at their own pace. There are also discussion forums for group work and even short courses or boot camps for skill building. AI tools. SchoolTry also integrates AI, giving students the ability to research, generate ideas, and even get AI-assisted help on assignments, all tailored to their course of study. Boot camps include self-assessments so students can track their own progress. Registration and admissions. For new students, the registration process is fast and paper-free. They simply click Apply, choose a course and admission round, fill in the form, and enroll. No long lines or stacks of paperwork. Monitoring and Evaluation Dashboard. The Monitoring and Evaluation Dashboard is especially useful for administrators managing multiple schools or branches. You get real-time data, total users, student-teacher ratios, available resources, intake and graduation rates, dropout rates, and more. You can also see financial data, including government and corporate funding, to guide resource allocation. The dashboard tracks progression rates, highlights areas that need improvement, and helps ensure that every decision is backed by accurate, live information.